The nerves in the brain connect with one another as two phones do while sending a text message. The nerves carry messages to and from the body, so the brain can understand those messages and turn them into an action. To demonstrate how the nervous system works, my girl JWoww over here is going to send me a text message from her phone to mine, and I will then carry out the action. So, as you can see, I carried out the message that JWoww sent to me. And that's an example of how the nervous system, helps your body. So, can we go party now? Today I'm going to talk to you about the nervous system. The nervous system controls the things you do, like breathing, walking, thinking, feeling, and of course, fist pumping! In case you don't know what fist pumping is, I'm going to give you a little example for your own personal pleasure. Okay, here we go. So you start banging the beat, and then you bring it back. There are two types of nervous systems, the central and the peripheral. The central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system contains the nerves that gather the information and deliver it to and from the CNS. There are about 100 million neurons in the human brain. Neurons are a functional unit of the nervous system that transmit nerve messages. There are 3 parts in a neuron: the dendrite, the cell body, and the axon. There are also 3 types of neurons: sensory, motor, and interneuron. Glials make up 90% of the nervous system. They surround, protect, help, and come in direct contact with the neurons. Some kinds include Schwann cells and astrocytes. Do you hear that? This is my kind of music! In a cell phone, if there's a bad connection, the message won't go through and it won't be interpreted. So, in the nervous system, if there's a bad connection between the brain and the nerves, then the message can't be sent or interpreted. This can lead to some diseases like Parkinson's disease. Let's get a little bit serious here, guys. JK, let's talk about Parkinson's. I know, JWoww, can you believe the situation? One sec, girl. Sorry, guys, I was just video chatting with JWoww. So I looked up the symptoms of Parkinson's disease, and this is what I found. The symptoms are trembling in the hands, arms, legs, jaw, and face, stiffness of the limbs and trunk, slowness of movement, impaired balance, and coordination. Some other symptoms might include depression, other emotional changes, difficulty in swallowing, chewing, speaking, urinary problems or constipation, skin problems, and sleep disruptions. The causes of Parkinson's disease are unknown, just like the size of Snooki's brain. Scientists believe that Parkinson's disease is a combo, like when you get at Burger King, between genes, not the kind we're clubbing, the hereditary information, guys, and environmental factors, like the environment, the one I'm ruining with all the CFCs from the hairspray in my hair. Out of the 1 million individuals in the United States that have Parkinson's, only 5% of them have the inherited form of the disease. Scientists have identified 13 genes that are associated with Parkinson's. Exposure to an environmental toxin or injury may lead to Parkinson's. So right now, there's no blood or lab test that can help diagnose Parkinson's. Oh, hey, JY, what's going on, baby? The diagnosis for PD is based on neurological, what's that?
The science of the nerves and the nervous system.
Thanks, JWoww. Neurological examination and medical history. Doctors might request the scanning of the brain or other lab tests in order to rule out other diseases. So I know most people don't think I have one, but let's talk about the complex organ known as the brain. Yeah, baby! So let's take a look at my own brain. You guys think you're so funny, don't you? Real mature, guys! Is it hot in here, or is it just my bronzer getting to me? Maybe it's my hairspray getting into my brain again. In an average brain, there's 100 billion neurons and 900 billion glial cells. The three main parts of the brain are the brainstem, the cerebellum, and the cerebrum.
Yo, it's Ronnie. Snooki went partying, so I'm going to talk to you about the brain. The brainstem is a connector between the spinal cord and the brain. It also coordinates most of our body functions. The cerebellum is the second largest part of the brain, located behind the brainstem. It enables your body to work efficiently and control homeostasis or balance, equilibrium, and posture. Now, the cerebrum. Hey, you in the back. Yeah, the situation. Listen up. The cerebrum makes up 85% of the brain. The cerebrum controls the voluntary activity in the brain. The cerebrum surface is covered with folding creases called the cerebral cortex. Different areas of the cerebral cortex perform different functions.
Doctors might, I forgot my line. Doctors might, damn it! This was one of the things we did. Hey everybody, it's okay. Scientists believe, I forgot the beginning. In an average brain, there's 100 billion. I want to mess it up.
The cerebellum is the second largest part of the brain, located behind the brain.
Snooks here. Hope you enjoyed our video.